Hello, I'm Suzanne, and on this Printerland review, we'll be looking at the HP Laserjet Pro M501dn A4 mono laser printer. Compact and highly capable, this machine saves energy and time with an impressive 43 mono pages per minute print speed. Automatic duplex printing is fully supported by the 1500 MHz processor and 256 MB RAM, while the 550 sheet input tray covers heavier printing times. There is no compromise on quality, however, as the precision toner cartridge technology ensures a 600 by 600 dpi print resolution is achieved consistently. Flexible and user-friendly, the HP M501dn is Windows and Mac compatible, can connect via USB or network, and is easy to set up thanks to the clear 2-line LCD display. Designed to offer optimum protection for your business, the M501dn is armed with advanced security features including pin-protected printing and HP Jet Advantage Security Manager. If you're looking to reduce ongoing costs, the optional high-capacity toner cartridges provide a huge 18,000 mono pages before needing replacement. But to get you started immediately, a 6,000 page toner is shipped in the box as standard. Overall then, the HP Laserjet Pro M501dn A4 mono laser printer provides impressive print speeds and performance to improve the productivity of any office. To find out more, visit printerland.co.uk or give us a call to speak with a printer expert today.